think that is very important. I've been speaking about my 30 seconds, but in my field, when it comes to interior design or architecture, any design related field, when you see what we do is when you know what we do. So I'll just take you to what exactly my background is. I've been working since the past 5 years. In the past 2 years, I've had my own firm, so I've been handling my own projects. I've been freelancing. Now, I'm sorry about this, it's vanished, but what we do, the 3 verticals, I'll just explain to you. So my bread and butter, that is the first vertical, would be design, your interior design, where we cover it all, whether it's planning, conceptualizing, drawing, executing, etc. Second would be specialty services. So what we do, something different, something unique which no one does, which I'll show you as we move ahead. Now next would be why us. So one would be our visualization skills. So what I stress about when it comes to interior design is not making run-of-the-mill design which people anyway have to offer, and me being very young and just coming into this field, not being very new, I need to offer something new to clients so that they hire me and I can make a name for myself. So I do very different kind of design when it comes to property. This is like a drill design that was created in 3D for a project of mine. Second would be personalized service. So I am everywhere, even if so whether it comes to buying accessories with the client or designing for site visits or planning, drafting, I supervise everything myself. Third would be solution provider. So why I say that is because we create functional design, which is very important, especially in commercial projects, because we need to maximize space. Space planning is very important. So we call ourselves solution providers. You see a lot of different options when it comes to planning of space is what we give clients. The fourth picture is not very clear, but it's a detail which I have done in a ceiling in POP. So it's like an emboss effect, something very different which people don't usually see. So that's why I say keen eye to detail, because I give a lot of importance to details in design. Just to tell you what the process is about when it comes to interior designing, when someone speaks to you about an interior designer, or if you need to speak to someone regarding if they need an interior designer and what all does it entail. So first we have a concept. So when we start, we have a client brief, we have a concept first, which then leads to design. Then we start with the drawing and then we execute the project and then we give the handover. Additional services which I offer is personal shopping to clients, interior styling, 3D renders, I'm sure you know, which is, so when you make a design, before you execute, a 3D render is an exact replica of what it would look like. And e-design is something which I'm going to start on my website now. So it means that people who are even not probably in Bombay or anywhere across the world, if they give me the space, I will design it and make a good package and send it to them. I'm just going to take you through my projects very quickly so you can see what I do. It's not extremely clear, but nonetheless. This is a tattoo studio which I'm doing currently at Pali Hill. It's for crayons. It's an international brand. This is Oxford University. I'm designing the stationery store. This is in Phoenix Market City, Gujarat. This is Silly Chili. It's a fast food restaurant, Chinese restaurant at Lokhandwala, opening in Bandra next month. So here I've been designing the furniture. I design furniture and lighting as well. I'll show it in the next slides. This is my own studio, which just got completed a couple of months back. This is Pizza Express at BKC, just outside when you go out of the hotel, see on the main road. This is Pizza Express at Andheri. So we've kept the concept similar as per the standards, but then we've created a little bit of difference in the lighting, in the mood, in terms of your accessories as well. This is Cafe Mandy at Kamla Mills. This is Holiday Inn Express. I designed 2 Holiday Inn Expresses, one in Chennai and one in Hyderabad. This is the Chennai one. This is the coffee shop from outside. Just a little detail of what we've done. We've done a lot of laser cutting, used a lot of computer technology also to create designs. This is the bedroom, so you have designed custom carpets, custom runners. The same thing goes on to the emboss onto the wall. So it's creating something very unique. This is the bar area, coffee shop, library. Another room, this is a letter bar, the suite, another restaurant. This is the meeting room which we've done. Kept it very simple, just stayed with the carpet design. This is a boutique hotel which I've designed. It's called the Crest Boutique Hotel. So here we have 4 different themes. So we have the same room, but on every floor. So it's like basically I'm going into a hotel, but every time I check into the hotel, I get a different experience. So I can stay in a different room. So there are 4 different themes. There's some same room, but again, use different materials, different designing, different layouting. This is a lobby which I've designed for a Asia Excelsior target. This is another lobby for Bholenath developers. Just to take you through my specialty services. So this would be some of the lighting fixtures which I've designed for some of my projects, or even if people otherwise require it for a project, I also do that. So this is some brass lighting, industrial looking lighting, a modern chandelier which I've designed out of pencils. This is some furniture which I've done. So this would be a footstool, an entire integrated system, a console, TV unit. These are some of my grills. I know people never stress about grills. It's something people always overlook in designing, but it is an essential aspect of it because it is a wall that you go to see. One wall is a window and then you have a grill. So I also like to do something interesting with grills in all my projects. This is some 3D paneling which I have done in my sites. So it's embossing using laser cutting. Just to give you again an overview, I already explained to you what turnkey projects are all about. So we design, we construct, and we execute it for you as well. These are some of my publications which came out in January and February for restaurant and design. So I was published it for my arts basically are anyone can do my client because everyone needs interior designing, whether it's a commercial project. It can be retail outlets, it can be restaurant, hospitality, office spaces. So anyone who wants to do a creative project and who has an eye and vision to give me that freedom would be a suitable reference for me. These are some of my gifts. People who I've worked with, people who I know. This is a new building which is coming up. Anyone wants to connect with it?